My name is Silvia López Chavez. I am a Dominican-American artist based in Boston and have been in Boston for quite some time. I'm a visual artist, I'm a painter, illustrator, graphic designer, and my work really has been very focused on mural work in the last 6 years or so. And I find myself working in the intersection of art, community, and design. So this piece I titled Urban Oasis, and is actually a commission piece that was very collaborative in terms of the process. I started meeting really early on with the team, the MGH radiology team, to come up with something that felt appropriate for the space, that really spoke to the people who will be using this space, as well as the actual location. In terms of the concept, is really about being able to have this balance between the urban setting that is Assembly Row, where this location is, as well as being able to bring together the idea of what the services MGH Radiology is doing here. So it really is able to communicate both for not only patients and visitors, but also for staff. I received samples early on of the different materials, and part of the samples were these tiles that were actually on the opposite wall of where my artwork will be. I decided to include some of this similar pattern that I had seen on the tiles themselves. So there's a bit of a reflective, not only through color, but also through some of the patterns that are included in the painting. The artwork has elements, graphic elements juxtaposed with more natural elements, such as water and leaves of various kinds. The water reflections and the ripples, and how I find that to be the ripple effect of what the care and the thoughtfulness that goes out towards the services that patients hopefully will be receiving here. And leaves like ginkgo leaves, that has a meaning of healing and prosperity as well. Being able to combine these feelings of quiet and comfort, as well as this transition and reflective mode. So a lot of times people waiting here and coming in here are stressed out, very anxious. And I wanted to make a reflective piece that will help them just kind of get lost in the imagery.